Welcome to our channel. Number 5.
Choosing CAPTCHA solutions? Compare speed, reliability, and developer control. Typical services: manual solving, slow, error-prone, hard to integrate. Browser extensions: faster, but brittle and easily detected. Headless hacks: unstable, break with page changes, costly maintenance. Meet CAPTCHA interception: automated, centralized, developer-focused CAPTCHA handling. Intercepts challenges in flight, avoids manual pauses and human delays, logs every challenge centrally for auditing and fast debugging. API-first design, integrates with test suites, CI/CD, and scripts. Demo, regular flow stalls on CAPTCHA, tests fail repeatedly. With CAPTCHA interception, flow continues, tests pass without interruptions. Metrics, reduces manual verifications, accelerates deployments, stabilizes pipelines. Security first, configurable rules, transparent logs.
Number 4.
People think CAPTCHAs stop all automated testing completely. That misconception wastes developer time and blocks reliable regressions. I'm a QA engineer and automation specialist with testing experience. Frequent CAPTCHA interruptions skew test results and delay releases. Use CAPTCHA interception to automate CAPTCHA handling and tests. It simulates human solving deterministically for consistent end-to-end tests. Integrates seamlessly into existing CI/CD pipelines and automation suite supports. Accessibility and usability assessments: by removing false barriers, we reduced flaky test failures by over 30%. Regression runs became stable. Deployment cadence increased significantly. Easy SDKs and REST APIs let developers add it in minutes, built with security and privacy controls for compliance. Conscious teams: CAPTCHA interception improves test reliability, accessibility, and release velocity. Try a free evaluation build integrated into your CI today. Contact sales or check docs for onboarding and pricing details.
Number 3.
Late-night tester fighting CAPTCHAs, weary eyes, defeated sigh. She lost hours to endless verification, deadlines closing in. Automation scripts stumbling, fragile as sleep-deprived hands typing. Then she found CAPTCHA interception, a quiet guardian. It stopped interruptions, restored focus, and protected her time. Integrates seamlessly with automation workflows, like a trusted partner. Testing moved faster. Bots ran through verifications effortlessly. Security tests became precise, uninterrupted, and deeply reliable. Manual verification reduced. Their evenings belonged to life again. She felt less alone. Her team breathed easier. Durable, consistent interception, no fragile hacks, just dependable help. If you build automation, let it protect your time. Streamlines testing, eliminates CAPTCHA interruptions, saves hours every week. Choose peace at work, reclaim small joys after tests. Try CAPTCHA interception today. Free trial.
Number 2.
Eliminate manual CAPTCHA interruptions and maximize automated workflow uptime. Integrates simply into existing stacks. Minimal code and immediate results. Robust, reliable interception reduces failures and protects scraping. Reliability built for developers. Clean API, well documented. Predictable behavior. Automation teams regain hours daily by avoiding repetitive CAPTCHA handling. Data engineers keep pipelines flowing with higher success. Less retries, simple SDKs, plug-and-play connectors. Compatible with headless browsers. Low latency interception keeps throughput high for scraping and testing jobs. Enterprise-grade logging and metrics give visibility for audits and tuning. Security-first design respects privacy, reduces risk, and meets compliance. Scale horizontally to handle bursts without man. UAL intervention or pileups. Cost-efficient automation reduces bot management overhead and operational expenses. Proven in production by teams needing resilient, uninterrupted data flows. Try a free trial or sandbox and verify performance in minutes. Visit product page, review docs, or contact sales for demo today.
Number 1.
Stop wasting hours on CAPTCHA during tests and deploys. Imagine CI pipelines moving like a well-oiled assembly line. CAPTCHA interception automates CAPTCHA handling across environments and browsers. Integrates with your test framework and CI in minutes. Detects CAPTCHA, solves, or bypasses safely. Returns tokens programmatically. Supports image, audio, and common challenge types reliably. Provides SDKs, REST API, and easy middleware for automation. Smart heuristics combined with verified solver networks ensure accuracy. Local and cloud modes preserve security, privacy, and control. Cut manual verification time by up to 70%. Accelerate testing cycles and ship features with confidence. Improve accessibility for users facing verification challenges worldwide. QA teams report fewer blockers and faster release cadences. Developers reclaim time to focus on core product work. Try CAPTCHA interception free trial today. Integrate in minutes.
Thank you watching this video.